Hello again. Hello, yes, hello again, yes. I do apologise. The battery died. So I decided to start the whole thing again. But I could do it better, right. This is my first, another figure review, but a first Black... You all know me for doing, the Lightning Collection figures. And the Nicta Kratos figure. And if you want me to do it, if you want me to do one of these figures, let me know. Oh, for God's sake. And the battery's dying on that one as well. And some of the Daleks I'm doing. Right. As I say, this is my first Black Series figure, and it's my first Star Wars review. I do have one previously. There's Maul. I can't find his other accessory at the moment. So, there's the box. That's how it came, and it not long arrived this morning. It arrived this morning. If you want to read the back of the box, you're going to have to be quick. You've got to be dumb, you've got to be tough. You know that saying from Jackass, you've got to be dumb, you've got to be tough. Let's try and get this info up before the battery decides to die again. There you go, there's a nice photo of Vader himself. Of course, this is from The Empire Strikes Back. That is it for the packaging. Sorry about that, sorry about the jump. But since we've already had a look at the packaging, we're going to do now, hopefully this battery doesn't start flashing at me. Now I've got two batteries that need charging. Anyway, this is Darth Vader. So first thing we'll have a look at, oh god, we're getting old. The first thing we'll have a look at is his accessories, which is his lightsaber. You can have it, you can have a lit version, you can have it holding it in his hand. I'll quickly show that off. How you store it in his hand. I always just turn it slightly and then just turn it in there. There we are. Now he has his lightsaber. His cape is in the way, so there he is. There he is. There's his badass lightsaber. There he is with his lightsaber. I know it's a bit dark, but I have a friend who can help us. I've got my light friend who can help us. There he is, there's Vader with his beaming lightsaber. But if you want to store the blade, I've got to try and get this out. I've got to try and get this out now. Got to try and get this out. Yes, get it out. We'll go get that out. Get it out. So now, gonna turn the figure around. Now, if you want to pull the blade out at the saber. Now I'm going to slightly zoom in on that hook very slowly, like so. So you see that little hook? You see the hook? I know my big finger's in the way. I'll do it with Vader's blade. I'll do it behind him. You see that little hook? And then you see the, oh god. And then you see, oh come on, focus. Come on, focus. You see that little loop in the lightsaber? You see that little ring? So you see the ring in the lightsaber hook? You just then, if you're careful enough, you just put it in. Then you put it in. There we are. And there we go. If you want to see a better view of it, there it is. There's Vader and his lightsaber stored. I should try and shine some light on it. So I'll try and shine some light on it. There it is. There he is. There's Vader's lightsaber stored. Now he's got 1, 2, 3 bits of articulation in the arms. He's got one double knee, that's 2, ankle tilt and feet articulation, just like the Lightning Collection figures, but the Lightning Collection figures have double elbow joints. So let me just zoom out. Just zoom out on Vader for a second. Do I need the light back on him? Because he is a dark figure. So let's put Darth Vader to the side. We will make our first comparison. Is a Nicta figure of Kratos. He is bigger. Yeah, he is bigger than Kratos. He's smaller than Kratos. I'll put an in card at the top. So you can have a look at Kratos' review. The next comparison figure I want to do, the next one is going to be, is the same make, but this is Hasbro's Lightning Collection. It's technically the premium version of the Star Wars figures. That's named as the Black Series, just like with Hasbro, like with the Ranger figures. But Rangers is Hasbro's Lightning Collection. Lightning Collection on the left, Hasbro on the right. No, Black Series on the right. They're both in the same make, so that's what's good. Cross playability with the figures. There's Green Ranger. I'll put an in card for that. We'll have a Vault Tactician Dalek. For another comparison, look, Vader is way taller than that Dalek. A classic Supreme Dalek. Look how small, he's tiny. He's tiny. And then a Paradigm Dalek Supreme. And he is up to the bottom part of Vader's helmet. He's at the bottom part of Vader's helmet. Excuse me about the clicking of the light. Here's a femur figure. Here is a femur figure. This one's harder to stand up. This one is harder to stand up, and this one is Lucina. There is a femur figure. Look how small are the femur figures to the Star Wars Black Series. And then I want to do another one with the Lightning Collection figures. Look how small. That is amazing. Different figure. Femur, Lightning Collection, Black Series. Oh, there's one more comparison that I want to do. If anyone's going to run in, you haven't got Darth Maul. Yes, I have. I do have Darth Maul, actually. I do have Darth Maul, but he's missing a bit of accessory. Here's Darth Maul. Here's Darth Maul. For comparison, there's Darth Maul. My original Black Series figure, Darth Maul. He's one of my first ones I bought. Unfortunately, I lost his cape somewhere in the room, and I gotta find it. His review won't be up yet until I find all of his accessories. So now, you've got the standard hard points in the arm. I'll probably show it. Show it on one arm. Oh, and his head moves I forgot to mention. He has head articulation. He's got head articulation. He's got a swift arc joint articulated. He's got an arm. I think that's just a double elbow. That's his double elbow joint. That's in his arm. And then for his legs, he's got a double knee system. I'm always worried about the double knees, actually. I dropped his lightsaber. I'm always worried about the double knees. So he's got double knees, he's got ankle tilt. You can do it positioning properly, you can give him ankle tilt. And there he is with his feet. There we are. So I'm gonna have to sort his cape out, because it's annoying. I have to rearrange his cape each time I mess with the figure. I have to rearrange his cape. I'm hoping actually to get General Grievous next. I'm hoping to get my hands on General Grievous, because I've got a buildable figure of General Grievous, and that's by Lego. I don't want to lose that, so that's going into Vader's bag. I do apologise about the noise, but I'm putting something in Vader's bag. Oh yes, I'm storing the figures in here, if you're wondering. Except the Lucina, right. Now let's get all the figures that I have that were out for comparison today. There's gonna do a photo shoot. Because at the end of this review, I did a photo shoot last time. With all the figures. I.O. I'm hoping to do another one from each series. So if you like the Black Series figure, I recommend this version of Darth Vader. There was another one with the removable helmet, but this one's better because this one's near enough the same size as the Lightning Collection. Should say it's almost in scale with the Lightning Collection figures. So you want Vader, if you want him, go and get him. I bought mine off Amazon. I bought mine on Amazon. Yeah, I bought mine off Amazon. I bought mine off Amazon. It's a cracking little figure. Fast delivery and on time as well. And I like it. If you want one, I recommend it. Oh, there'll be another part of Jurassic World Evolution coming up soon as well. Stay tuned for that. For an update of Jurassic World Evolution. For gamers. For normal train sim world gamers, stay tuned. There might be a couple of delays for it. As I say, I'll see you lot in another video. Ta-ta.